Hi, and welcome to another Tech Talk series. My name is Sabina Ellis, and I'm the NJEA Technology Committee Chair. In today's feature, we have Deana Baumert, who is speaking on how to use the classroom resource Canva. Thank you and enjoy.
Hello, my name is Deana Baumert, and I'm a design teacher at Matawan Aberdeen Middle School. This video is about one of my favorite classroom resources, Canva. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use tool that supports creativity, engagement, and real-world skills in your classroom, Canva is a great place to start. Canva is a design platform with pre-built, customizable resources to help teachers save time and give students meaningful opportunities to create. In just a few minutes, I want to show you why Canva is such a valuable tool for today's classrooms. One of the biggest benefits of Canva is that it's completely free for teachers and students through Canva for Education. Once you're verified as an educator, you and your students get access to all of Canva's premium features at no cost. There are no ads, no limited tools, and no software to install. Because Canva is web-based, it works on Chromebooks, laptops, tablets, making it accessible for virtually any classroom. Canva also offers a massive library of ready-to-use, customizable resources that teachers can use across a wide range of content areas. You'll find professionally designed templates for lesson plans, presentations, worksheets, graphic organizers, posters, newsletters, and more. These resources span subjects like ELA, math, science, social studies, world languages, electives, and STEM. The latest feature, Magic Activities, lets you create custom resources in just a few clicks. Teachers can start with a professionally designed template, customize it for their lesson, and quickly assign it to students, saving time while delivering high-quality instruction. For students, Canva is more than just a place to complete assignments. It's a space to design and create. Students can create presentations, infographics, videos, posters, and digital projects that demonstrate their knowledge in creative and meaningful ways. Canva encourages student voice, choice, and collaboration, making it a strong fit for project-based learning and authentic assessments. Instead of passively consuming content, students become active creators. Another major advantage of Canva is how well it prepares students with career-ready skills. Canva is an industry-grade, web-based design platform that's widely used by businesses, marketing teams, nonprofits, and entrepreneurs. When students use Canva, they're learning real-world skills like visual communication, digital design, collaboration, and creative problem solving. They're gaining experience with a professional tool that they are likely to encounter beyond school, helping build confidence and digital fluency. Canva is free, flexible, and designed for education. It empowers teachers with high-quality resources and gives students the opportunity to create, collaborate, and build skills for the future. In short, Canva is free, flexible, and built for education, empowering teachers and preparing students for what comes next.
I hope you enjoyed today's feature. Please make sure you like and share with your colleagues. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.